ST Auto Parts
Thailand's #1 auto spare parts.
With over 60 years of experience, Sst under the SST Auto Parts brand has been operating as a pioneer in manufacturing and distributing high-quality automotive parts in Thailand. SST Auto Parts has exported products to the automotive industry, focusing on high-quality products and excellent service. As a result, it has become a leader and is widely recognized in the automotive parts business, both domestically and internationally. Not only do we sell automotive parts, but we also manufacture automotive components that are more durable and efficient in their performance than ever before. We are attention to every step, from inspecting the parts to testing them to meet standards, with experts and a dedicated team, ensuring high-quality products that deliver the highest quality and efficiency to consumers. In terms of production, SST Auto Parts has modern machinery to assist in manufacturing, ensuring fast, accurate, and safe production, as well as obtaining certifications from various regulatory bodies. We employ highly specialized personnel to oversee and plan every step from production to the final stage. With a systematic workflow, this ensures the creation of high-quality products that can be quickly traced both forward and backward. SST Auto Parts manufactures and distributes automotive parts, including upper and lower control arms, control arm pins, brake adjusters, disc brake pins, and various components both inside and outside the vehicle, such as radiator caps, door hinges, and more than 4,000 other types. With systematic inventory management, it is one of the key aspects of our service, ensuring that products are delivered accurately, quickly, safely, and on time. Through our logistics partners, we guarantee reliable product delivery. Over the past decade, the development of the organization's capabilities has earned the company trust from customers in more than 30 countries around the world, both domestically and internationally. This includes over 2,000 sales representatives, retailers, and companies across Thailand. Sst under the SST Auto Parts brand, will continue to be committed.
ST Auto Parts
Thailand's #1 auto spare parts.